Alright, so welcome back to this class. In today's class, we are asked to look for the value of n under this word thing they call combination. Now, the word combination is word selection. How do we arrange this question very fast? If I have, let's note this, note that n combination r is equal to what? N factorial over what? N minus r factorial times what? R factorial. This is the formula we use to solve something like this. Now, having known that positive factorial, if I have 3 factorial, is the ability for me to solve, to bring down this number down to what? 1 in multiplication. That is to say, I'm going to have 3 times 2 times 1, which is now what? 6. If I have 5 factorial, it is what? 5 times 4 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 1, that is what? 120. So if I now have n factorial, it will be what? N multiplied by what? N minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3, then factorial. Here I want to stop, I will stop there. So I haven't known this now. Let's not solve the question. I haven't known the background check on the formula itself. Let's not solve the question. Now, applying the formula right now, we're going to we have n combination 2 is equal to what? 15. So we're going to be having what now? N factorial over what? N minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial is equal to what now? 15. So what next now? Let's now break down n factorial, like I said before now. This is now what, because I have 2 here, I have n bracket what? N minus 1 times n minus 2 factorial. I will stop here because this one here over what? N minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial, and it's equal to what? 15. So what next? Now if you observe, this one will take care of this. So I'll be left with what now? N bracket what? N minus 1 all over what? 2 factorial is still 2 is equals to what now? 15. So let's now multiply now. And we're having what now? N bracket what? N minus 1 is equals to what? 30. So we're having a quadratic function here. This time we have what? N squared minus n is equals to what? 30, which is now what now? N squared minus n minus 3 minus 30 is equals to what? 0. So I will now factorize this function to get the value of what? N. So I have n squared minus n minus 30 is equal to what? 0. So look for two numbers that are factorizable. So if I multiply this times this, I have minus 30n squared. Two numbers will be what? For 30, 5 times 6 is 30. So I'm using what? 5 and 6. I have minus 6n plus 5n. Give me this one. So I have n squared now, minus 6n plus 5n, minus 30 is equal to what? 0. So I have n out, n minus 6, 5 out plus 5, n minus 6 is equal to what? 0. So last now what? Factor out this one here. I now have n minus 6 in brackets. We're left with what? N plus 5 is equal to what? 0. So we're having what now? N minus 6 is equal to what? 0, or n plus 5 is equal to what? 0. So finally we have n is equal to what? 6, or n is equal to what? Minus 5. But the real answer in this case now what? Is the whole number without what is negative. So the other n here is what? N is equal to what? 6. So kindly what? Like, share, and follow for more of this content, and God bless.